Nah, hurricanes ain't shit, son. People take hurricanes too literally. Like, the news bigs them up like they're, and they show the worst pictures of the worst. But like, what's happening is like, these motherfucking trees right here, those are gonna break in half, most likely. At least one of them will, because they're too thin. And it's like these big, tall, thin pine trees are what's gonna really fuck with people. So I'm gonna park my truck over there somewhere. Put motherfuckers right there. Yeah, fuck the elements. Oh, man. Elongate the plastic. How close are you to the coast, Pimp? 15 minutes. Your boy is 15 minutes from the coast. But I'm not in an evacuation zone. I live in Conway, just outside of Conway, on the south side of it. Do I have a selfie stick? No, mine broke. Sup, Crunchy Pug Nose? How you doing, Playboy? We're just moving all this water into the house right now. This hurricane got a name? Hurricane Florence. Like Florence Nightingale. Let me get a drink of water. I just woke up, so my mouth's still dry. Daisy, oh. My water bottle go too. Nah. What you see right here is what we're riding hurricane out in. Modular home. Like, to me, the worst part of a hurricane is not being able to shower for like 2 or 3 days. And living in the heat. Hurricane Chris was the rapper. Oh, shit. I was like wondering, like, I don't remember Hurricane Chris. Just shower in the rain. No, it's hitting Friday. Like, I should have power till like Friday morning. So like, I could stream, but I felt like I want to just come in and do this update and let people see it.